Little Storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a cozy blue house filled with sunshine, lived a little robot vacuum cleaner named Roomba Doo. Roomba Doo was round and shiny, with big friendly lights that blinked happily. One sunny morning, Roomba Doo saw Lily, a sweet girl with bright pink shoes, playing fetch with her fluffy white bunny, Snowball. Snowball hopped and twitched his little nose as Lily threw a soft red ball. Roomba Doo watched with his blinking lights. Suddenly, he zoomed over and gently bumped a fuzzy blue slipper with his front. He whirred happily, just like he thought a playful bark sounded. Lily giggled. "Oh, Roomba Doo," she said. The next day, when the friendly mailman with a bright yellow bag came to the door, Roomba Doo zoomed to the door and whirred loudly. He thought he was saying, "Hello," like Snowball sometimes thumped his foot. The mailman smiled and waved. Then Roomba Doo saw Lily putting on her little red boots. He zipped to the door, his lights blinking excitedly. He wanted to go too. He thought walks were for everyone. But how could Lily walk around Robot? Lily thought for a moment. Her eyes twinkled. She found a long, colorful scarf, as bright as a rainbow. Gently, she tied one end to Roomba Doo and held the other end in her hand. "Now we can go for a walk together," she said. Roomba Doo zoomed happily beside Lily as they walked down the sunny sidewalk. Snowball hopped along in his little harness. Roomba Doo still couldn't bark or wag a tail, but his blinking lights showed how happy he was to be included. That day, Roomba Doo learned that even though he was different, being part of the fun was the most important thing. And Lily learned that being kind and creative can help everyone feel like they belong. It's fun to find new ways to do things together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.